So let's spin up another AI node to handle logging. At the end of our workflow, let's add a new action. We'll click the plus, then select the AI category. You could use any of the major LLMs n8n has integrated to perform this task, but we'll stick with OpenAI again. Then we'll click the Message a Model action. We'll choose a model from the list, then enter a prompt. We'll set the system prompt to something like this. Your job is to log the news and fun fact from the daily briefing in the relevant columns within the Google Sheets document you have access to. An AI will be reading the results of your work, so be sure to format it in a concise, detailed manner that will be easy to parse and summarize with a small number of tokens. Next, we'll add a user message. We'll type daily briefing to give the LLM some context, then drag in a variable with either the Markdown or the HTML version of the daily briefing from a previous step's output. Now, we'll give this LLM Google Sheets to use as a tool, then make sure that your Google credentials are selected. We'll change the operation from getRow to appendRow so we can add new information. Then we'll add the Google Sheets log we created earlier from the dropdown and pick the sheet with our headers. Then we'll grab the timestamp variable from the schedule trigger and drag it into the field for the date value. For the other two columns, we'll click the AI button to let the AI decide what information to add to the news and fun fact fields. Now that we have everything connected to create a log, let's execute the AI step to test it out. If it works properly, we'll see a new row appear in our Google spreadsheet with the columns filled with the correct information.